this is the Carlos Tank Tread Rover 5. It has 3 IR sensors, one in the center, one on the right, and one on the left. It has a cell phone mount to hold an Android phone, which is used to send commands to the yo-yo board through a Bluetooth dongle. On the Android phone, we have an app that's coded in XML and Java through Android Studio, and that's used to send the commands to the yo-yo board.
To start the robot, we used OpenCV to scan the QR code containing the start command. The programming is set up such that if the left IR sensor detects an object within a close distance, it will turn right and vice versa. In the moving mode, it would avoid the walls and any other obstacles. We used OpenCV color block detection to stop the robot so that it will scan the QR codes more efficiently. The color detection on the software is currently set to green. When the robot reaches the end of the hallway, it will stop and scan a return QR code to make the robot turn around. Lastly, a final stop QR code is used to stop the robot.